We've been talking to McLaren's for nearly 2 years on this project to develop the riser strategy. But one of the great things is we're looking at it holistically.
I've been using the Risersafe product for 8 years. First started using it on a commercial building in central London, then used it on a high-rise residential project on the last job. I'm now using it on the R8 project, which is a mixed-use commercial and residential building. If we look at the whole life cycle, were we to go with the traditional system where we put in edge protection around the hole when we form the slab, we then have to put in access. There's always multiple adaptations to scaffold within the risers depending on the complexity. We can get away from all of that with the Risersafe product, just protecting the hull.
So with design, we'll have our detailers incorporate other MEP models to ensure it's a smooth running when it comes to install.
It's always a benefit to have the Risersafe design started much earlier, and that will drive that M&E coordination within risers, helps to identify crucial pinch points, and it can help with that coordination early doors so those issues don't actually become a problem on site.
It's made the site install quicker and it's made it more cost effective. You've got rid of the problems in the virtual world before we get to site.
So the advantages for me with Risersafe is the time it takes to install it and how easy they are to install. We use one of our 3 tower cranes on site to lift them directly off of the road and install them into the position that they need to be on site.
So when the product comes to site, we literally can lift it off of the lorry and into place on site, and that is the whole protected.
And that's all it is, just lifted in and the guys will come in, they'll then bolt them down, and it's just a simple job of land it, bolt it and walk away. We'll have a weekly Teams call just to oversee the programme and see if there's any changes. We'll be ensuring that we get it here on time.
We've had multiple meetings, updating the IRS schedule, getting the deliveries here on time and installed to the right tolerances. Stops falling at height as well. Safe the use of edge protection around the builder's work holes.
So where we traditionally have to move to a scaffold solution, it can provide safety for the guys there. Holes are protected until we come to install the services. It also works for our fire stopping within the risers as well.
We're looking at the combustibility of products. We're looking at the way that the vertical fire compartmentation needs to be done in relation to risers. It allows everybody involved to save time, save lives and save costs. So I want to say thank you to McLaren's for their participation in making this job such a success that it is.